Who doesn't like the thought of getting something for nothing? You'll be able to make some additional money with as little effort as possible if you use these passive income apps. Stock Monster has videos on financial education, financial independence, stock trading, the stock market, and dividend stocks that will help you better understand how to earn additional income and live a better and safer financial life. Being able to earn passively is ideal for many people, regardless of their age or position. One of the most acceptable methods to supplement your income or invest in your own business is to use passive income apps. Do you ever think about making money while you're sleeping or on vacation? Passive income can help you worry less about your finances while simultaneously increasing your 9-to-5 wages. Some people have even used the money they make from passive income apps to assist them during unemployment. You can use passive income programs on your desktop, laptop, or smartphone with ease. The initial investment is minimal to non-existent. Download an app, spend a few minutes on it each day, and watch the money pour in. We looked into a few apps that pay you to shop, invest, browse the internet, provide feedback, etc. in exchange for modest sums of money or points. Let's take a closer look at these apps.
Fundrise. Users can invest in real estate projects with Fundrise.
There's nothing extra you have to do after the initial setup. There is a $1,000 minimum investment, and you would be charged fees that are relatively cheap.
The majority of investment opportunities, including Fundrise, are long-term. They recommend holding your money for roughly 5 years.
But you can also choose to get quarterly dividends. You can either accept the dividends as income or automatically reinvest them. M1 Finance. M1 Finance is a passive income tool that allows you to create your investment portfolio of ETFs and stocks. It also allows you to purchase fractional shares, allowing you to participate in larger cap stocks without having to spend a lot of money on a single claim. There are over 80 investment portfolios to pick from, as well as other automation options. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most popular smartphone apps for earning money passively. This rewards program is completely free to join, and it only takes a few minutes to create an account.
You earn money by using your phone to do brief surveys, watching entertaining videos, playing games, exploring the internet, purchasing online, and more.
You can also win Amazon, Target, and Walmart gift cards as well as other prizes. Ibotta. Ibotta isn't just a money-saving app. It also allows you to earn money in a variety of ways. Connecting their store's loyalty programs to the app is the most popular option among Ibotta users. This act will allow you to redeem discounts automatically. More than 100 retailers, including well-known supermarket chains, can be linked to Ibotta. You may also use the app to collect rewards or pay for in-store orders by uploading receipts. Drop. Drop is a free software that allows you to earn cash rewards for buying items at your favorite destinations and retailers. Any purchase you make with the app will benefit you, from your early morning coffee to your late-night meal order. Drop does not use a point system like other incentive schemes. Instead, as you make purchases, you collect cash. You can then withdraw your funds by PayPal or directly to your bank account. You can also link your credit cards so that every time you make a qualifying transaction, your cash is automatically deposited into your account. Make sure to subscribe to the Stock Monster channel for more videos like this one. Amuse. If you're an unsigned artist trying to make money off the work you've already generated, Amuse is an excellent option. Amuse is a mobile record label with a business strategy that allows musicians to release their music via the internet. We adore this software because it flips the music industry on its head by allowing unknown or lesser-known musicians to get compensated for their work. Music influencers can also collaborate with up-and-coming artists. Robinhood. Robinhood is a user-friendly financial app that makes it simple for anyone with no prior investment knowledge to start building a portfolio. Furthermore, there are no account minimums, and you can get started for free with a simple account. Investing in ETFs, equities, and cryptocurrency is simple with this passive income software. S'mores Lock Screen app. With the S'mores app, earning passive income has never been easier. This application is a lock screen software that allows you to earn money by allowing them to display content and advertisements on your phone's lock screen. You will make money regardless of how many times you swipe your screen by simply installing the app on your device and allowing them permission to insert advertising. One of the best features of this software is that you don't have to do anything extra to increase your earnings. In reality, you don't have to keep watching the advertisements to make money. Do anything you usually do with your phone to gain points. Paribus. Don't just buy something and leave it at that. With the Paribus app, you can keep track of the cost of your previous purchases and receive refunds if the price of that purchase drops. This American-based app syncs with your email to track your transactions and scan all of your receipts. When a lower price for a product you purchase becomes available, the app negotiates a refund on your behalf. You will get notified of the price difference, but only for recent purchases. This situation indicates that the rebate only applies to current investments, not all of them. Consider receiving refunds for products you've already purchased. With Paribus, you have the opportunity to earn a simple passive income. These passive income apps can be utilized to produce additional revenue in the short or long term, regardless of your interests or commitment level. You can top the investing apps on this list for earning potential, but even if you don't have $1,000 to invest, you can still produce some disposable income with the other passive income apps on our list. Are you looking for a means to supplement your current income? Check out these side hustle ideas to help you establish your own business or discover a job in the gig economy that pays well. Remember that someone who is good at investing and learns how to invest can profit and benefit. Thank you for tuning in. Leave a comment below for video suggestions. See you all in the next one.